On this auspicious occasion of Navratri, during this lockdown period 2020, we decided to show you all the beauty of Navratri, especially the way it is celebrated in South India. In Tamil Nadu, prevalently people keep Gollu, which you will be seeing soon, in every house, and they will be calling the neighbors, friends and relatives to visit their house during this Navratri to get the blessings of Ma Durga. So as you all know, Navratri is celebrated to mark the victory of good over the evil. Durga, the day when Durga killed the demon Mahishasur, who is a buffalo demon, is celebrated as Navratri. So the idols, the gods and goddess idols, are arranged in odd number of steps like this, either 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, and they do morning and evening puja for 9 days. And on the 10th day, which is Vijayadashami, that is when Ma Durga won over Mahishasur. So she got victory, she won. Vijaya means victory, Asura means demon. So Vijayadashami, and it is the 10th day, so that is called, that's why it's called Dashami. On the day of Vijayadashami, we do a puja. That day, we even keep small instruments or weapons which we usually use in the household, like scissors, knives, etc., and the plowing weapons. If you are in a village in the countryside, they even keep the plowing weapons. And alongside, they also keep the books and all the study materials. If you have children at home, if not, you keep some books which are read and followed by the adults in the house, and we do a puja. That is the last day of Navratri. So I'm just taking you a little tour of one of the most beautiful Gollus that I recently happened to visit. So basically what we saw earlier was done by the adults in the house, decorating the steps and placing the god and goddess idol like this. But what you see here on the side is meant for the children in the house to get involved in these kind of religious activities. So you see, the child has made some beautiful Lego models. She has made a farm, basically a village setup. A village setup and a fair going on in the village. And directly from there we go to Egypt. They have displayed some Egyptian characters, and they also take time and interest in making such beautiful models made out of paper or cardboard or thermocol. As you see, they have made a beautiful model of a tall modern building which has good ventilation, elevator. It's beautifully done. So this is how a Gollu is decorated, and people invite each other to their houses and they sing and dance in front of the Gollu, which we will be witnessing very shortly. when people come accepting your invite to your house to see the Golu and they sing in front of the god and goddess, as a symbol of respect, you offer them something called tambulam, which comprises of betel leaves, betel nuts, turmeric, kumkum, a fruit of your choice, and gift if you wish to give them. We'll now see the host of the house presenting tambulam to the guest and paying respect and saying thank you for visiting and requesting them to come again to their house. After receiving the tambulam, the guest pay their respect to Golu by doing a Sashtang Pranam and thanking the host for inviting them.